Welcome to Hello, Tesha. Today we're playing 30 fun logical questions. Ready to test your brain? Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a new quiz. Okay, let's play. For first question, which is bigger? Cat, elephant, or dragonfly? The answer is elephant. And for second question, which animal can fly? Dog, bird, or penguin? Yes, the answer is a bird. Good job. And now answer this. Which one melts? Ice, rock, or wood? Yes, the answer is ice. And now can you answer? Which animal lives in water? Monkey, tiger, or fish? Yep, the answer is fish. Good job. And now answer this. Which is faster? Snail, cheetah, or turtle? Cool, the answer is cheetah. Amazing thinking. Keep going. For question 6, which one gives light? Sun, moon, or Mars? Yes. The correct answer is sun. Smart brain alert. And for question 7, which animal has a trunk? Elephant, lion, or bear? The answer is elephant. Good job. Question 8. Which one can you eat? Crayon, shoe, or banana? Boom, you got it right. The answer is banana. Which animal says moo? Cow, sheep, or goat? Wow, you're a little genius. Yes, the answer is cow. Question 10. Which one can swim? Cat, dolphin, or eagle? Yes, the answer is dolphin. You're getting smarter every second. Question 11. Which one has wings? Snail, frog, or butterfly? Yes, the answer is butterfly. Good job. Can you answer question 12? Which is heavier? Feather, bowling ball, or paper clip? Yes. The correct answer is bowling ball. Amazing thinking. Keep going. Can you tell? Which one is a fruit? Banana, potato, or carrot? Good job. The answer is banana. For question 14, Which one is hot? Fire, ice, or snowman? Awesome answer. Yes, the correct answer is fire. Question 15. Which animal lays eggs? Horse, cow, or duck? Yes. The correct answer is duck. Question 16. Which one can jump higher? Elephant, kangaroo, or mouse? Good answer. The correct answer is kangaroo. Question 17. Which one lives in the jungle? Tiger, dog, or penguin? Yes, the answer is tiger. Good job. Question 18. Which one has wheels? Clock, book, or car? Yep, that's right. The answer is car. You're unstoppable. Question 19. Which animal can climb trees? Monkey, frog, or snake? You got it right. The answer is monkey. Good job. Question 20. Which animal can sleep while standing? Horse, snake, or dolphin? The answer is horse. Awesome job. Question 21. Which one floats? Boat, rock, or brick? The answer is boat. Good job. For question 22. Which one is a bird? Owl, frog, or dog? The answer is owl. Amazing thinking. For question 23. Which one is bigger? Bee, rabbit, or whale? Cool answer? The answer is whale. And now answer question 24. Which animal has the strongest bite? Goat, crocodile, or rabbit? Wow, you're a little genius. Yes, the answer is crocodile. For answer question 25. Which one is sweet? Candy, broccoli, or pizza? Good job. The answer is candy. Now try to answer question 26. Which one is round? Cube, pyramid, box, or ball? Yay! Good job. The answer is ball. Now answer question 27. Which animal lives in the Arctic? Polar bear, camel, giraffe? Yes. The answer is polar bear. Can you answer question 28? Which one keeps you dry? Fork, umbrella, or balloon? Good job. The correct answer is umbrella. Question 29. Which one can you write with? Wood, spoon, or pencil? Yes, yes, yes. That's correct. The answer is pencil. Last question. Which one is a vegetable? Carrot, lemon, or donut? Yes, the correct answer is carrot. You nailed it. High five. Great job, kids! You answered so many tricky questions today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun quizzes on Hello Tesha. See you next time.